My hobby. A hobby is something we enjoy doing in our free time. It gives us happiness, helps us relax, and allows us to learn something new. Everyone has a different hobby. My hobby is drawing and painting. Since childhood, I have loved to draw pictures. I enjoy using pencils, colors, and paintbrushes to make creative drawings. I draw animals, nature, cartoons, and even people. Whenever I see something beautiful, I feel like drawing it on paper. I usually do drawing in the evening after finishing my homework. I have a small table at home where I keep my drawing book, color pencils, sketch pens, and paints. Sometimes, I also try to copy pictures from books, magazines, or the internet. My parents and teachers always appreciate my work, which makes me feel proud and happy. Drawing is not just fun, it also helps me stay calm and focused. When I am drawing, I forget all my worries. It also improves my creativity, patience, and observation skills. I take part in drawing competitions at school and have even won a few prizes. During weekends or holidays, I spend extra time learning new art techniques by watching videos and practicing more. My dream is to become a great artist one day or a designer who creates beautiful things for others to enjoy. Everyone should have a hobby. It keeps the mind fresh and fills our free time with something useful. A good hobby can even turn into a career in the future.